So hi, so today I'm gonna teach you JavaScript because JavaScript is the most popular, most one of the most popular coding languages and website like Chrome or Google web browsers like Chrome and all also made from JavaScript, right? Yeah. So first, our topic is a variable. So our variable is a suppose we have a box, and in a box what give the box a name. Suppose we kept a box inside that there's our name inside the box, like details like our age and that, you know, and those all things are there. And what will we name it? We'll name it a like mm, we can name it like person or any other box. We can just name it. We can give it any name, but we keep a sensible name because we can't understand if we see it in future. The same as variable. Variable is a box which we give a name, and inside that we store informations. Now that's a variable. So suppose I made a variable and I named it as person. Named it a person. What I did, person as Gavin equal to, and I wrote person is equal to Naman. Sorry, Naman. So after every code, we should put a semicolon. This. We should put this because it's so important. Now, fine. We named it. We named it. Now, we can say the computer also to like say who is the person. So just we can write console.log. What's the person? We are asking what's the person. So write person. Simple. And after every code, we need to write semicolon. Simple. Now just save it. Okay, sorry. As I did mistake, we should write a string because these are words. We should put an inverted comma because these are words. And everywhere, otherwise it will think that it's a name of any function like console.log. It's a function, everything like that. So don't that's a mistake. Now again Control S to save it. Yeah. See, I wrote Naman. You also wrote Naman. So we asked the computer that what's Naman? Console.log means like print what's Naman. Simple. There on Naman is this. And now if we change this Naman to Rahul, just think. We gave it Rahul. We save it. We got Rahul. Simple. So that's very good. And we can just change it also. You can change it also. Suppose we just gave it a name. You can give it anything. We just give it a name. Simple. Simple. Now, I'm gonna just say, now let's go to the other topic. If we want, we can change it again. If we want, like we did everything. We just named it, and let's just do it. We'll make a if statement. If person is equal to By the way, I'm going to say that in the if statement, what we need to do, there are two things. If you want to write a if statement or if else if like that any statement, then then we should write either this or either this. So what this do? This just say it like not normal equal to. That's a kind of normal. And what humans can do. And मतलब triple times equal to is a kind of strict. It will check it strictly. Normally, this one is also. So the normal, this one normally this will do the check it strictly. So these both you'll get it as you'll use it as in a if statement when you're writing a condition. So by the way, in the if statement, this is the condition bracket. Now I wrote just person if person. I'm writing triple because it's strictly. I'm going to test it strictly because if person is equal to for a string and Rahul, then now we got this flower bracket with this flower bracket. This flower bracket is the code. In this flower bracket, we'll write the code. What do we need to do? If the condition is true, it will go in this flower bracket. Now, what should we do? Then person. Sorry, wrong. Person. Then while changing the value, what should we do? While changing the value, no need to put let, which I have put it here. No need to put it normally. Then if person is Rahul, then change it now. By the way, in this will not write 3 times equal to or 2 times equal to. We'll write normally 1 time because this is not a condition. This is normally which we write in maths, like 2 plus 2 is equal to, like that. Something. Like, so then change it person is equal to, we put it again Naman. Fine. Then console.log person. Now person has been changed. So what will we get? We should get Naman. So let's save it. We got Naman. That's simple. And if I'll just change this to by what can I change? Why? We'll change it to current. Now here we got it again as current. Now it's simple. Now we understand by let that we can like change it any time. We can change the variable any time. But if we write const, by its name constant, const, it can't be changed. If I save it, see, we got error because constant variable. Simple. It's saying on the line 2. See, on the line 2 we did a mistake. We changed the person because const can't be changed. Now const can't be changed. Now if I remove this all if statement, oh shit. If I remove these all if statement, then I do it. I got simple answer, Rahul. That's about. We finished now. We finished let const. Now we are going to start primitive types. So what do we know here? We know that this is const. Leave it as const. We'll keep it let. I guess let is more best because whenever we keep a variable, we just kind of change it most of the times. So keep it let, or you can keep it const also. No problem. But I am keeping let because I am fine with that. Now we came to let. Now what's it? It's a word. This is a word. If there are group of words or group of words, then it will be called as a string. So if you type here type of wait, sorry, type of person, type of person, then so not personal bar, person. What's personal? So we got a string. Let's see here also. Here also we got a string. But if I change this value to number, and by the way, in number will not put string. Will not put these inverted commas. Otherwise, it will still consider it as a word. Then we can't add or do something to it. Fine. Now, if I change it now, we got it as 9. Leave that. Now I'll write type of person. So we got number because it's a number. As we know, 9 is a number. Simple. And I'll just try to explain now. Finish. I'll just no. Finish. Now I'll make a list. If we want to write, we finish. We want to write. Sorry, we didn't. Now I wrote like if we are in a something in an app, we are gonna make like think that we are making a survey app, and we made a variable. Let is approved equals to otherwise is true. So now I'll just save it. I remove the console.log so it's not printing. Now type of person. What? Undefined. Fine. I got it. So here it's a boolean. Simple. What is approved is equal to true. So true or false these both are called boolean. That's a bit tough, so not that not kind of that, but it's a kind of not a thing which we haven't here in JavaScript. So I removed it. So it's boolean. Now we learn boolean. We learn string. We learned number. So now that's what a type. Name object. Name object. So what object. So, a object is a, suppose we have a box, and in a box, then now we are keeping only one thing. Like is approved is equal to true, like that, and all. We wrote person is equal to naman, like that. We wrote only one thing. We stored only one thing in a box. But we can keep many things in a box. To do that, there's a thing called object. So, uh, so object is like we kept made a variable. So now what we did, we made a variable and we named it as person. Now person has many things. It has a name, it has an age, it has many things like that. So is approved. I'll just change it as person again to person because text explaining is equal to, I just named it person. Now I'll do it. I'll put a flower bracket. In this we'll put the code. Now let name is equal to string, sorry, inverted comma, and naman. And naman. Finish. Now we'll put a comma. Sorry, I did a mistake. Now like that, we should put this. Now, no left. I did a mistake. Sorry. Now we should he has a name, and yeah, we should not put equal to. We should put a colon. Colon. Simple. Now age is 9. Sorry, 10 will put simple. And no semicolon here. No need of semicolon. Yes. Now just I'll save it and write type of person. Object. You got an object. So it has many things. It's called an object. Now there's one more thing. Wow. Now we finish object also. Now there's one more thing, which is an a means not a not a number, not a number. So in this, anything which is not a number is not a number. Like fine. So it's like empty string. Sorry, empty like whatever. This and like that. These are and then we'll discuss it properly. First, we'll just see in the Chrome. We'll open here. We'll put NaN chart. That's not there. What is it showing? I wanted to explain it in detail. And then JavaScript, fine, that's fine. Robert. Oops. What's the what is all the parts? Fine, we're not getting it. It's not number, it's not number, it's not number, it's not number. What? What happened to Google is fine. So it's like empty string, empty empty inverted comma, and normal boolean true or false, true and false. Now, what can we say? What if not a number is n? I can say, but not in which like if you have a string, empty inverted comma. Sorry, this yeah. If we put it here, whatever. Now, man, fine. Whatever we put it here. If we put N will this words, it will not be a NaN. It will not be a not. It will not be a not a number. So it will. And if I wrote plus whatever. So that's NaN. We'll discuss it in the next video because it's a bit difficult maybe for you. No. So we'll meet in the next video. Bye.